Myra with Vacation Rental Authority here. I am bringing you the last and final episode of the beach cottage renovation. I can't wait to give you the tour, so let's go. Whether you're visiting for the first time or looking for a new way to experience Coeur d'Alene, the Beach Cottage is the destination you've been searching for. In the heart of downtown and just blocks from Sanders Beach and Tubbs Hill, this spectacular getaway is the perfect place to relax after an adventurous day. From the beachy interior to the newly designed backyard paradise, this fully renovated cottage will be the highlight of your next vacation. Remember when there was a refrigerator in the living room? Although this 1930s bungalow sure had some charm, it looks best with the full upgrade. The welcoming living room features comfortable seating and a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace with a stained driftwood mantel. Dining room has a sophisticated twist with new crown molding. And in the kitchen, we wanted to maximize all of this natural lighting by highlighting it with granite countertops, crisp white cabinets and tile, and stainless steel appliances. As you can see, nothing remained of the original kitchen. Our contractors went to work utilizing this space to create an open, welcoming kitchen that has everything you would need. This vacation home even comes complete with a sound system you can control from anywhere in the house, so you can ask Google to play your favorite tunes while you fill your belly. The master bedroom boasts a plush king bed, stylish finishings, airy curtains, and a closet with its very own window for ample natural lighting when you get dressed. Believe it or not, the world's smallest bathtub used to be squeezed right there. Now you can rinse away the sand between your toes in this beautifully crafted tile and stone glass shower. The spacious granite countertops welcome you beneath the light-capturing mirrors and charming wainscoting detail. Before, the walk downstairs didn't leave much to the imagination. Now you'll find another cozy seating area, the perfect place to snuggle in while you dry your beach towels in the accompanying laundry area. You'll even find a beverage cooler nestled beside the chair for convenient thirst quenching. As you can imagine, from what's left of the old shower, it was quite small. This lower level bathroom feels light, airy, and open. Proudly featuring this stunning tile, stone, and glass shower. continues in this stylishly crafted dual vanity, which doubles as an attractive focal point for this large room, leading to a cozy seating area and plenty of closet space for this lower level suite. Before, this lower level room felt dark and uninviting. Now, this plush queen bed is flooded with natural light from the nearby window, welcoming you into your own cozy paradise. This grassy patch has transformed into a beautiful space for the whole family. Kick your feet up on one of these plush wicker chairs while dinner sizzles on the barbecue. There's plenty of space for the kids and the dogs to run around in this fenced backyard. The tall pines give you shade, but there's still ample sunshine to be found. This custom set of Adirondack chairs circles a gas fire pit that sparkles at night. What do you think? Isn't it amazing? Drop us a comment and let us know what your favorite part of the house is. Oh, you From all of us at Vacation Rental Authority, we just want to say thanks for watching. This has been so much fun to bring this series to you. We hope you've enjoyed all the videos. If you're missing any of the episodes and you want to go back and see what this place looked like before the renovations and the design, you can find all those videos on our Facebook page. And if you're interested in the beach cottage and its availability, check out the description where you can learn details.